Good afternoon, students. Welcome all of you in this English Olympiad class, International English Olympiad class. And today the chapter is Adverbs and Adjectives. So before taking the sample questions, we should know about what is an adverb and what is an adjective. So how do you define adverb? What is adverb? So adverb is a word. Adverb is a word that modifies or qualifies an adjective, verb or another adverb or a group of words expressing a relation of place, time, circumstance, manner, cause or degree. Let me repeat, it is a word that modifies or qualifies an adjective, verb or another adverb or a group of words expressing a relation of place, time, manner, circumstance, cause and degree. If I'll talk about the different types of adverbs, there are the different types of adverbs like adverb of time. What are the adverb of time? That denotes the time, like earlier, later. These are the adverb of time. If we talk about the adverb of place, so there are the many references that relates to the adverb of place, like here, there, okay, nowhere. So these are the place where we locating the adverb of place, that definitely there is a reference of place. If we talk about the manner, so we'll talk about the manner, the way it happens beautifully, truly, fantastically. This is called adverb of manner. Adverb of degree. What is an adverb of degree? It intensifies the verb of a particular sentence. Adverb of degree intensifies the verb of a particular sentence. Okay, and we have that adverbs of frequency also, correct na? Adverbs of frequency. So before that, adverbs of frequency, if I will take an example of adverb of degree, we will talk about the intensity of a verb, how it goes, how it intensifies. Okay, and next if we will talk about adverb of frequency. So if incident and accident, what happens or whatever the action takes place, it relates the frequency of that particular action or place. This is called adverb of frequency. So let me take few sample questions, whatever given you should solve. So what is given? Choose the suitable adverb of manner for the given sentences. Okay, this one. So what is given first? Choose the suitable adverb of manner. I discussed the manner, how it's being happened, manner, the way it's being done. First question, all students listen dash to the instructions. What are the options? Coldly, gently, attentively, hardly. All student listens dash to the instruction, how it's happening, manner. So here correct answer would be attentively, not coldly, not gently, hardly. So attentively, how it's is referring the manner, the way. So the correct answer would be attentively. Let me take the second question. He talked so dash that I could not grasp even a single word. He talked so. What are the options given? Dearly, fast, gracefully, correctly. He talked so fast, correct, so that I couldn't understand, grasp even a single word. I did not get, couldn't understand a single word. So the correct answer would be B number option, that is fast, so fast. Okay, so let me take the second type. What is the second type given? Question number B. Choose suitable adverb of place for the given sentences. Let me take the 6th number question. My grandfather could not find his spectacles dash. What are the options given here? What are the options given? Wait for a minute. What is given? Anywhere, everywhere, somewhere, nowhere. Okay. So better anywhere, na? Grandfather could not find his spectacles anywhere. It's not everywhere, somewhere, nowhere. Anywhere not getting. And that I said that place means what? It relocates, it directs the place. Okay. So correct answer would be anywhere. Wait for a minute. 7 number question. It was very cold, so we remained dash. We remained indoors. So referring place. What is the 8 number question? If you can't find your notes, dash you can try. If you can't find your notes, dash you can try. If you can't find your notes here, elsewhere you can try. So you can try elsewhere. You can try elsewhere. Here and elsewhere. Correct? Here and elsewhere. So this is the correct option. Here, there. 9 number question. What is given? The train does not stop dash. It is a small station. The train does not stop where? Here. It is a small station. The train does not stop nowhere. It is a small station. Train does not stop here, not somewhere. Definitely not everywhere. So nowhere is the correct option. It is a small station. Being small station, the train doesn't stop nowhere. Sorry, 1 minute. This one should be, because see the option once. Let me discuss once again so that it would be clear to you, all of you. The train does not stop everywhere. Okay, correct option would be everywhere. Take this one. Everywhere is correct answer. Train does not stop dash. It is a small station. So train does not stop everywhere. It is a small station. So train does not stop everywhere. Correct. Next, better to select the next one. Choose suitable verb of time for the given reference. So it refers the time. So see the first one, 11. You can go, I shall come. I shall come. You can go, I shall come. You shall go. See the first question. You can go, I shall come afterwards. That is the correct one. Correct. Afterwards. You can go, I shall come afterwards. That would be better in reference. I can come afterwards. Okay, because it is a suitable adverb of time. See the 12 number question. The cattle grazed dash on the plains. Cattle grazed. Options are never, daily, tomorrow, later. The cattle grazed daily on the plains, na? Daily. So daily is also same. You can take that one. B number is correct one. Okay. Next, it will take the another types. It will talk about the another types. So let me take the T number. Choose the appropriate adjectives for the underlined phrases in the given sentences. adjectives for the underlined phrases. So next we will have adjectives. So before going and taking those samples, we should know what is an adjectives. So adjective is a word that tells us about a noun and it modifies a noun also, correct? Modifies a noun also. There are the different types of adjectives also, na? Quantitative adjectives, compound adjectives, distributive, it distributes, then coordinating objectives, possessives or adjectives, and demonstrative adjectives. Like demonstrative pronoun, we have the demonstrative adjectives also. It demonstrates or refers or directs. Okay, so this is called demonstrative adjectives. Possessive also we have, and compound also, and quantitative and coordinating. So these are the different adjectives, and that I said that it tells us about a noun and it modifies a noun also. Let me take all these samples so that you will be able to understand. So whatever the portions is given about that adjective, so you have to identify, underline the phrases, you sometimes underline the different adjectives referring to that quality, sometimes quantity, sometimes distribution, sometimes possessiveness, sometimes it refers to that direction. So there are the different types of adjectives and you should know, and then you should relocate what are the given options is given. So let me take all these questions. Okay, so first one, see the D number. What is that instruction? Choose the appropriate adjectives for the underlined phrases in the given sentences. Appropriate adjectives for the underlined phrases in the given sentences. Though children usually love tomato sauce, I find quite opposite to my liking. Though children usually love tomato sauce, I find it quite opposite to my liking. So appropriate adjectives, underlined phrases you have to select is given that nasty, repulsive, generous and rude. Option would be repulsive. Opposite to my liking, that is that repulsive, correct? It is not rude or nasty or generous, so the correct answer would be repulsive. Okay, see the next one. Rahul is an expert judge in matters of taste. Expert judge, he knows about coffee. So what is an expert judge? That has been underlined, that part, that is selective, daredevil. Rahul is daredevil or very much selective or very grumpy, or that connoisseurs. What would be the correct option? Underline, check. It is not selective. Expert judge is matter of taste. One who is an expert judge in matter of taste, they are known as not daredevil, not selective or grumpy. D number, that connoisseurs is the correct answer. So this would be connoisseurs, correct. Next, if I will take the next one, that is that E number. What is given? Choose the adjectives for the underlined phrases which describe the personality. Okay, so let me take the question number 21. What is given? Choose the adjectives for the underlined phrases which describe the personality. When Amitabh Bachchan, see the question number 21, when Amitabh started his career, Amitabh started his career, he was a young, having long, thin arms, legs and rather awkward manners. The descriptions about Amitabh's, talking about his starting career, he was a youth having long, thin arms, legs and had rather awkward manners. So what is given? The underlined words given: youth having long thin arms, legs and had rather awkward manners. What is plumps? Not flabby, not like that flabby. Stout, not very stout figure because it is given thin. Stout is bulky figure, it's not that is given already thin, so that would be the gangling youth. Correct answer would be the gangling youth. Gangling youth is the correct answer. Not plumpy, not stout figure. So gangling youth is the correct one. See the next one, 22 number question. Man and woman from Haryana generally have a quite fat and solid body. Man and woman from Haryana generally have quite fat and solid body. That is quite fat and solid body that I said, that stout, skinny, bony and lean. Not lean, skinny, bony, all are similar. Skinny, lean and bony all are similar. All are referring to the thin structure of the body. One is different, that is the stout that I said about Amitabh Bachchan's, and same is given here. Quite fat, a plumpy figure, that is referring to the stout body. So first option would be 22nd one, A number, stout. Correct, stout is in similar. C number, next one, the 23rd. Poets have written so much about the unkempt hair of their beloved. Practically, they gave rather an untidy appearance. Poets have written so much about the unkempt hair of the beloved. Practically, they give rather an untidy appearance. Okay. What are the options given? Neat, tidy, spruce, and the scuffy. Okay, so that is called neat, na? Unkempt hair. Poets have written so much about the unkempt hair of the beloved that practically they gave rather an untidy appearance. What is tidy, neat, unkempt hair? Very neat about that, and spruce and scuffy. That is the correct answer. Next, we will go to that questions number that will take the question of the achiever section. Correct, achiever section P question we should take. Choose the correct adverb to complete each sentence. 26, let me take. Tanu is dash the right person to for this job. Tanu is dash very the right person, certainly the right person, so or ever. Tanu is ever the right person for this job. C number is correct one. Okay, and today's class will take the next one, and that would be our final one. What is given? My manager gave me 2 dash passes for the show. My manager gave me 2 dash passes. 2 dash passes. Complimentary passes. Complementary. Compliment or compliment passes. 2 complement passes. That would be the C number. COMPLEMENT. That is the C number. Not complimentary, not complementary, not complement. That is the complement. E, not I. Complement passes for the show. You know that complementary means, what is that? Conducive, complementary, you are complementing each other, helping. So here would be that passes, that is a complement passes. COMPLEMENT. Okay, so this chapter is all about adjectives, knowing adjectives and adverbs, their rules, how they are formed, structure and types, and we have taken the different samples, and I explained you why it's the adverb of time and sometimes adverb of place, manner, frequency, degree, and we'll talk about adjective is all about intensifies a noun, modifies a noun, and having the different types with quality, quantity, compoundness, possessiveness, demonstratives and distributive. So whatever been discussed, we have explained the adjectives and adverbs so that I think that you have understood. Okay, so thank you for this class. Bye students.